Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering a spring bar tool, a soft cloth, and a small container for screws and parts. Place the watch face down on the cloth so the case is protected. Now locate the narrow gap where the spring bar sits between the lug. This is where you'll insert the tool. Once the tool tip sits against the flange, apply gentle inward pressure. This compresses the spring. Make sure to angle slightly toward the strap to guide the bar out of the lug hole. You compress the spring bar inward and lever it toward the watch center to free its shoulder from the lug hole. Use steady, small motions. Rushing bends the bar. If it resists, stop and try compressing from the opposite side. This equalizes tension and reduces risk of injury to the lug. Once one shoulder clears, pull the strap away as you maintain pressure. The other shoulder will slip free. Immediately drop the bar into your container so it doesn't spring away. You finish by reinstalling or replacing the strap. Compress the spring bar, seat one shoulder into a lug hole, then align the opposite shoulder and release so it snaps into place. Make sure the bar is fully seated by gently tugging the strap. If it won't seat, inspect for dirt, a bent bar, or misaligned lug holes. These are the usual culprits. If problems persist, replace the bar or clean the lugs with alcohol. Then try again with the spring bar tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.